Alright, so a bunch of you have asked how we get our drawings onto the sheet. So in this case, it's really simple to do. We're not doing anything special. We're just going to design, go down to drawings, and in drawings we'll leave everything default for this one. We're going to click OK. And it'll bring up your template, and for these drawings we're just going to change three things. First thing we'll change is, in this case, we want it to be an isometric. We do want it to be shaded. By default, I believe it may be wireframe or visible edge, but we want it to be shaded. And then you can play with the size, but I think 1 to 4 is about what it should be if you drew the shapes right. If it's too big when you do 1 to 4, you can modify it. So I do that, click OK. And from here, this is what you would submit. So you could take a screenshot of this, or if you're on a PC, you can download it for export. Don't worry about changing anything in here, that's fine. And then if you made a mistake or something, you can always go to the object and double click on it. So like, let's say I put it in as the front. I could go in and double click on it and then change to northeast. I could change the scale, whatever I need, and I can move it around as follows. So hopefully this was helpful. This is how you would get your drawings onto the drawing sheet.